Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. How long do you think it would take a local contractor to build a road like this, to build a 4-lane dual carriageway? Let's say 23 kilometers, like the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Road looks just like the road we're driving on, 23 kilometers from Maypen to the Melrose Hill bypass. How long do you think it would take a local contractor in Jamaica to build that road? Now, it takes about 5 years with China Harbour Engineering Company. How long do you think a local contractor would take? And the reason why I'm asking this is because we need to know where our local contractors are rebuilding a road like this. We need to just get an idea, because one day we are going to need them to build roads. We can't keep using China Harbour Engineering Company. And I mean, the China Harbour Engineering Company does an excellent job, without a doubt. Job well done, excellent job. But there are times when they're stretched thin. They have so much work to do that they can't really effectively do all of it. Now, we have local contractors in Jamaica. Some of them are working with China Harbour to build the Harbour View to Port Antonio leg of the Southern Coastal Highway. That's 140 kilometers. From Harbour View to Yalos, the road looks like this. And then 4 lanes, dual carriageway. And then from Yalos to Port Antonio, it's 2 lanes. So I'm asking you guys, how long you think it would take the local contractors to build the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, which is only 23 kilometers. Now, the entire stretch is a new road, a new alignment, a new path. There was no road along that pathway. So you're starting from scratch, leveling the hills. You're starting from scratch to build a road. It's not taking an existing road and upgrading it. So China Harbour Engineering Company, 5 years. The Prime Minister is trying to cut that down to 4 years for the additional legs. How long you think the local contractors would take today, with things as they are today with the contractors? How long you think it would take them to build that road? Guys, leave your comments in the section below. I'm just curious for your input, your feedback, because I have an idea, but I'm not going to say it. I have a timeline basically, but I want to hear your feedback. All right, I can give you my feedback. I'll go first. I don't think the local contractors could ever build a road like the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Not today. They have to up their game. They have to, I don't know, they have to change a lot of things. I don't think they could ever do it. It would take not even 10, 15 years. I don't think they could do it, which is not good, because we are going to need these contractors one day. So they have to keep working with China Harbour Engineering Company. I'll give you an example. 10 local contractors were assigned jobs on the Yalos to Port Antonio leg of the Southern Coastal Highway. 10. I think they're down to 2 now. They had to take back some sections from 4 subcontractors, I know for sure, because they just could not do the job. One subcontractor gave up the job and said, take it back, I can't. I know there are 2 who are doing a good job. The work is progressing. I'm not sure about the other 3, but those contractors did not have to build a new road. It's the existing road that they're upgrading. From Yados to Port Antonio, the two lanes that made up the road were just being upgraded. And so many of the contractors could not do it. Can you imagine a contractor giving up a contract? Look at the roadway to Junction in St. Mary. I mean, that was a complete disaster. And it's not like these contractors didn't know what the job was before they bid. It's there in black and white. I mean, documents were done up with the scope of work. So guys, let me know what you think as of today. Now, I'm hoping, or I'm sure in the future, now that the local contractors have seen the standard of which China Harbour Engineering Company has set the bar, that they will get themselves together so that one day they can build a road like this. One day they can build a road like the road from Maypen to Mandeville. It's not today. But we are hoping that they continue to watch the Chinese and do what the Chinese do. Well, not the Chinese. I'm sorry for saying that. Hope they watch China Harbour Engineering Company, and I hope they watch what China Harbour Engineering Company does, how they operate, and step up their game to reach there one day. Guys, I'm very curious. Leave your comments in the section below. As we said, it takes China Harbour Engineering Company 5 years to build 23 kilometers from Maypen to Mandeville. How long you think it would take local contractors? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.